For those of you that went with the grease whip option, what we're going to do is show you a convenient and user-friendly mounting location. So I've got the seats removed already. We're going to start to remove the center console by removing the plastic rivets at the rear, Torx 40s on either side, 2 rivets here and here, and 1 more Torx 40. Now that we've exposed the scatter guard with the hole that we've drilled previously, we can go ahead and install the pipe thread. There isn't a torque spec as much as hand tight. We're going to drill a 3/8 hole right in this corner here. So you can see there's a good decent range of where you can actually mount the service port. We prefer to mount it over on the driver's side underneath the body panel over here. We can go ahead and reinstall the center console. So here you can see the finished product in a very convenient location that greatly reduces your service time.